99% of people are killing their chances of making friends because they sound like a boring textbook.
Wait, what? Isn't nice to meet you the standard way to start a conversation?
It's robotic. Today, you're learning how to sound like a native and actually connect with people instantly.
I definitely need that. I always feel so awkward and never know what to say next.
Let's fix that right now. Lesson 1, stop asking, "How are you?" as your first question.
No way. That's literally the first thing we learn in every English class.
Exactly. It leads to a dead end. Instead, use the observation rule.
The observation rule? What does that mean?
Comment on something around you first. Like, "This music is great, isn't it?" Or, "I love the vibe of this cafe."
So, like, "Man, this coffee is incredibly strong."
Perfect. It opens a door for them to agree or disagree without feeling pressured.
And if they respond, do I just keep talking about coffee?
Not quite. That leads us to lesson 2, finding the common ground bridge.
How do I find common ground with a total stranger?
Use open-ended questions. Avoid anything that can be answered with just a yes or no.
Can you give me an example? My brain is stuck on "Where are you from?"
Instead of, "Do you live here?" ask, "What brought you to this part of town today?"
That forces them to tell a little story. I like that.
And here is the advanced trick, echoing. If you get stuck, repeat their last 3 words as a question.
Repeat their last 3 words as a question?
See. You just did it. Now I feel the need to explain more. It keeps the flow going naturally.
That is actually genius. It's like a conversation cheat code.
Now, lesson 3 is the most valuable, the future anchor.
Wait, don't tell me. Is that how I make sure I see them again?
Bingo. Mention a common interest you discovered and anchor it to the future.
Like, "We should definitely check out that new taco place you mentioned."
Exactly. It turns a one-time meeting into a potential friendship.
Okay, I think I've got it. Can we try a real-life scenario?
Let's do it. Let's pretend we are at a crowded tech conference. You start.
Man, these speakers are way more engaging than I expected. I thought I'd be bored.
Right? I was worried it would be dry, but I'm actually taking a ton of notes.
Same here. What brought you to this specific event? Are you a developer?
I'm actually looking to transition into UX design.
UX design? That sounds fascinating.
Yeah, I love the mix of psychology and technology. It's a fun challenge.
I can see that. I actually know a great meetup for designers in the city.
No way, I've been looking for one. Do you have the link?
I'll send it to you. It was great chatting with you. Let's grab coffee at the next break.
Perfect. See you then.
Wow, that felt so much more natural than just saying "nice to meet you."
Now it's your turn. Pause the video. How would you start a conversation with someone at a park?
Write your answer in the comments. We want to see your best observation lines.
Quick recap. 1. Use the observation rule. 2. Find common ground with open questions.
3. Use echoing to keep the flow. And 4. Use a future anchor to stay in touch.
You're already sounding 100% more fluent. Don't let your English stay in a textbook.
I'm going to go try this right now at the cafe.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.
And hit that bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you tomorrow.